students, welcome to Ajax Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss laws of motion in this normal reaction force. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in this comment section. Okay, let us go to the normal reaction force. Normal reaction, that is N. So the forces which are exerted only when two bodies are in contact are called contact forces. These forces satisfy Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion, for every reaction there is an equal and opposite reaction. So contact force nothing but the forces which are exerted only when two bodies are in contact. They are called contact forces. So it depends only on the nature of contact but not the area of contact. So the component of the contact force normal to surfaces in contact is called normal reaction. The component of the contact force normal nothing but perpendicular surfaces in contact is called a normal reaction. See here, this is the gravitational force which is acting vertically downwards and which is acting perpendicular to these surfaces, that is normal reaction. In general, all the surfaces are rough at microscopic level. The actual points of contact are difficult to be ascertained. Hence, it is difficult to know the magnitudes and directions of all these contact forces. So, the resultant of these forces can be estimated. So, let us consider a block of mass m resting on a surface as shown in the figure. This is a block of mass m which is placed on the horizontal, here it is a rough surface and it is gravitational force, that is mg, weight mg acting vertically downwards, and it is normal to surface, that is n. This is normal reaction. The weight of the body block mg acts vertically downwards on it. This is the weight of the block mg acting vertically downwards. So due to the contact at various points on the surface, a resultant contact force acts on the body. So let the vertical component of this resultant contact force be N. As the body has no vertical motion, this component of the contact force must be balanced by the weight of the body. So that is N is equals to mg. When these are equal, as the body has no vertical motion. So this component of contact force N must be balanced by the weight of the body, nothing but N is equals to mg. Since it is perpendicular to the plane of contact, it is known as normal reaction. So normal reaction is the resultant contact force acting on a body placed on a rigid surface perpendicular to the plane of contact. So normal reaction depends only on the nature of the contact. It does not depend on the area of the contact. Even in the event of motion of the body on surface, this force remains unaltered. So it depends only on the nature of the contact. It does not depend on the area of contact. So in the case of the body resting on a plane surface inclined at angle theta with the horizontal as shown in the figure. So the weight mg of the body acts vertical downwards and a component mg cos theta perpendicular to the plane is exerting contact pressure. So hence the normal reaction here is given by N is equals to mg cos theta. See, this is the inclined plane and we are placing a block on the inclined plane, and here N is the normal reaction and it is a weight. Here this is the weight resolved into two components. The weight mg of the body acts vertically downwards. This is acting vertically downwards, and a component mg cos theta perpendicular to the plane exerting contact. So it is resolving into two components. One is horizontal component, one is a vertical component. It is mg sin theta and mg cos theta. Okay. So normal reaction n is equals to mg cos theta. Now let us discuss MCQs. First one. A body lies on the table. Its weight is balanced by the frictional force, normal force. Force causes motion on the body surface of the table. Here, a weight is balanced by the normal force. Next, normal reaction force is dash to the tangent drawn to the surface at the point of contact. Parallel, perpendicular, equal, none of this. See, normal force is perpendicular to the tangent drawn to the surface at the point of contact. This contact force is perpendicular to the tangent drawn to the surface at the point of contact. So, hence it is called a normal reaction force. Thanks for watching this video.